Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? I'm sure all of you guys are in good condition and good health. First of all, I would like to introduce myself because there is saying that if you don't know a person, how can you love that person, right? So, my name is Satyawati, a student from Vocational High School number 1 Gianyar. Viewers, have you been feeling tired and bored lately? Moreover, there are only a few weeks left until there will be a great increase. So, all the students, especially vocational high school students, must study harder to get good grades and rankings. So, the meaning of life for students is very complicated because they must work hard all the time. Viewers, do you think of one word that can solve those problems? Yes, it's a vacation where you can relax there and spare your time with your family without thinking about life problems and school assignments. And I'm sure this place will be liked by nature lovers and people who love scenery and solitude. That place is Tegenungan Waterfall. Tegenungan Waterfall is a true paradise for travelers seeking to escape the rush of Bali city streets and urban centers. Its raging water tumbles over black stone cliffs into a quiet pool that's perfect for swimming, relaxing, and soaking. Viewers, Tegenungan Waterfall is one of the most beautiful destinations in Bali. It is located in Kemuning Village, Gianyar Regency. From Denpasar, you took around 20 minutes by a car, and if you are staying in Ubud, it's very easy to get there. It's just 15 until 30 minutes from Central Ubud. Actually, this waterfall is managed by two different villages. From the west side, this waterfall is managed by Tegenungan village, and from the east side, this waterfall is managed by Blangsinga village. So, it means there are two exits if we can go through west and east. The length of this waterfall is around 25 meters, and the water comes from a mountain with strong and clear water. Nonetheless, the water discharge of the waterfall is quite high. Therefore, the beauty of the waterfall can still be seen as flawless. Tegenungan Waterfall is a true paradise for travelers seeking to escape the rush of Bali city streets and urban centers. Its raging waters tumble over black stone cliffs into a quiet pool that's perfect for swimming, relaxing, and soaking.
Besides that, you can do many activities such as swimming, taking pictures, buying souvenirs, and also we can have lunch here. Talk about lunch, there are so many restaurants in this place. Those restaurants sell many different kinds of menus such as local food, Indonesian food, Western food. But the crispy duck that we call bebek garing is the most recommended one. In addition, there also a restaurant named Bumbu Asli near the waterfall, serving healthy Balinese and European foods. Bumbu Asli Resto also serves a selection of beef rich, juice, chicken fried rice, and grilled tenderloin steak. place, we can swim and having a swing while taking pictures. For taking pictures in the swing, you have to pay 50,000 rupiah per person. Besides that, safety in this place become priority. So that's why we can see many tour guide here. And for the souvenirs, you can buy a lot of Balinese souvenirs here. For your information, if you want to visit this destination, the best time to visit it is between 7 AM until 10 AM. And you have to pay the entrance tickets. For adult, the ticket price is around 20,000 rupiah per person, and for children, the ticket price is around 10,000 rupiah per person. After pay the entrance ticket, you will pass some souvenir shops as well as restaurants before you get to a big sign saying, "Welcome to Tegenungan Waterfall."
Viewers, that's all the information that I can explain about Tegenungan Waterfall. There are so many information about this wonderful place, but sadly I can't explain the others. And I think this is the end of my description about Tegenungan Waterfall. I hope the information is very useful for you all. So, we are waiting for your visit and come here to enjoy your holiday. I'm sorry for any words or behavior that unpleasing your heart. Thank you so much for the occasion and your kind intention. Om Santi 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 Om.